Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome in new session, new lecture, which is about introduction to the research. Let's understand what is the research. So here is the basically the content, the outline for the 2-day sessions. Okay, so what is the research? Something we will do in various capacity. Okay, in simple meaning is point number 2 and 3. The same, by the way. The finding the solution of the problems. Okay, might be we are facing any problem. So how to solve that problem? The method, the procedures, what we use to solve that problem is called the research. Okay, let's see the point number 4. Point number 4 is telling about it's not only about the problem. If we are facing any trouble, any issue, finding the solution of that issue is called the research. Yeah, this is the one part. But some researcher also said the second part is adding a new knowledge. If you want to explore new phenomena, new concept, also part of the research. Let's see. I'm just giving you the example, like our scientists, the latest from the America or maybe from the advanced country, even from the China, what they are doing, they are exploring Mars. Can we stay there? That is a new phenomena. That is also research. Okay, my dear students, finding a new feature, new technology, this is also our research. And systematic in the short definition, we can say research is a systematic process or method to finding the solution and adding to the new knowledge. It's called our research, by the way. Okay. So here, see a series of steps carried out of the activity to finding the solution of the problem or adding to the new knowledge, by the way. So hope so you understand the basic definition of the research. So let's see reason for conducting a research. Yeah, some of the they say that in the previous slides, I just discussed two purposes, right? Problem solving and adding a new knowledge. Another one is improvement, maybe the existing technology. Okay, every time we have a new model mean okay, iPhone 16, iPhone 17. Yeah, I know. This is very attractive brand for the new generation, the young people, right? And explorations. Yeah, like see, I said earlier, I just given you the one example of Mars. They are exploring. Okay, can we stay there? So these are the basic 4 purpose reasons. And also we can say these all part of the definition of the research, by the way. So we also can say these are motivation to conducting a research. Understand, my dear students and friends? Okay, here, what is the research? Again, business research. Now we adding, first we understand research. Now we are moving to particularly, specifically into the business context. Hope so you know the definitions of business. What is the business? Any activity where we can earn money, in simple meaning, earn money. That's called business, right? Or the place where we can sell and the activity where we can invest and can earn profit. Yeah, business. Also called business, simple meaning. Let's see. As we are business students, business research build knowledge or solve business related problems. Why we have a loss in our business? This is one of the problem, right? Why our employees' performance is decreasing? This is one of the problem in our business context, right? Human resources are the basics, main resource, intangible main resource for our business activity, right? Good human resource mean, yes, more profit, more growth in our business. Okay, our issues or assist in effective decision making, yeah, and or maybe we are want to open the new plant, or we want to take our decisions which can define our business. Yeah, we have to do the research. Understand? So the process or activity we are involving to solve our business related problem is called business research. Business research is step-by-step activity carried out on the critical, yeah, these are the steps, okay, critical, organized, logical, systematic manner to analyze the problem or issue and find effective ways to mitigate the problem faced at the work. So this is the theoretically definition of the business research, by the way. Business research is all about carrying out research within the organizational setting where we are doing a business. What is organizations? Do you know the definition of organization? The place where we can work. The place where we are operating our business, that is called organizations. In very simplest definitions, you can find multiple definitions, by the way, different author purpose, different definitions. Hence, the activity of research is still the same. However, the context is confined to the organization, their stakeholder, their process of their customers. Yeah, these are all are the part of the organization, by the way, or the part of the business. All stakeholders are the part of the business, by the way. Hope so you understand what is the stakeholders. Hope you know the definition of stakeholders. The people, directly or indirectly influencing our business, that is called the factors. In simple meaning, the factors directly or indirectly influencing or impacting our business, that is called the stakeholders. Some of the famous stakeholders, okay, employees, owners, shareholders, your community also, government also, those are the stakeholders. Later we will cover, further we will cover. Okay, so why business research necessary? Another question is, in previous slides, slide number 5, we had covered, or we tried to understand the business research. What is the business research? Now why we are conducting. Organization can face with multitude or multi problems of the problem, ranging from financial, operational, strategic, customer, and employee related. Yes, our performance is decreasing. Our sales is decreasing. Yeah, financials, operations, or why defects are increasing during our productions, or why we can say, okay, during our supply chains, we have a problem, why we cannot deliver the product on time, right? Operations. Strategics, yes. Strategies, okay, we want to expand our business, but we are not able to expand our business. That is our decision-making strategic level 1. Why? Where we made a mistakes, okay? Or maybe we decided to open a new plant, but we not be able to open the plant. Why? Strategic. Customers, yes. Why we customers are not satisfied or leaving our products, right? I'm just giving you examples. Employees, yeah, the core, the basics resource for our business, or any business employee performance or satisfaction level is decreasing day by day. Why? Or they leaving turnover, they are leaving our job, or maybe we are layoff. Some of the factors can be business research is a mechanism to gather data or information, understand the issues at hand and drive logical solution that can be mitigate problem. So some of the problem I discussed earlier just now I discussed like a financial problem, sales decreasing, or maybe defect are increasing, strategic, we are making wrong decisions, right? We are investing in wrong marketing. That's also strategic decisions. Customers, okay, satisfaction, less satisfactions, employee less satisfaction. These are the problems. So we have to gather the informations about it for their solutions. That is called a business research. Okay, that's what we need to solve these business related issues or problems. Hope you understand. How does business research help managers in effective decision making? Yeah, at the managerial level, hope so you will be the managers after completion of your degree. Hope so, inshallah. It's my best wishes for you as well. When investigations into an issues are carried out in the critical, the decisions. What is the decisions? Choosing the best alternate is called a decision making. That is called decisions. Okay, effective decision making. So choosing the best alternates. So need a research. Suppose you are going to, I want to buy the laptop for my company. I went to the market. I saw multiple brands are there. Apple is there. MacBook is there. Apple mean MacBook is their brand name. MacBook is there. Okay, Microsoft, HP, Dell, Asus, many brands are there. So I will see my requirement. Okay, how much budget I have and what type of quantity and what type of capacity I need. So I list on option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4, 5, so on. And then I will choose the best one. That is called decision-making process. And that is also called research. Business research to making a decision, effective decision or right decisions. Organized and systematic manner, the solution proposed will help decision making with the make informed decisions. Hope you understand. I already explained you with simple example here. Okay, internal versus external researchers. What's the meaning of internal and external researchers, by the way? We are going to hire a researcher from inside our company. Our employee can be the researcher who can work to solve the problem. Maybe our company facing some problem, maybe our sale decreasing day by day. So we make a one group or we select a more competent person from our company to ask him, okay, please, can you research why our sales decreasing day by day? Okay, the external one, we hire outside or maybe some of the company offering their services. Okay, we have a variety of experienced persons who can help, can conduct a research to solve your problem, why your business sales are decreasing day by day. Right, my dear students? So hope you understand the internal researcher and external researchers. Okay, so advantage and disadvantage. Let's discuss the advantage and disadvantage. Very important one. Please keep in mind. Okay, please be intentive. So number one, better acceptance from the staffs. Yeah, because staff already know him. Maybe his behavior, everything, not privacy anymore with him. Knowledge about organization because he already working inside the organization. So this advantage would be an internal part of the implementation, evaluation of the research recommendation. Also easy to implement. Yes, because he already know the culture of the organizations. So this is the advantages. Okay. Another disadvantage is less fresh ideas. Yeah, because same culture, same environment, no more learning. What he learned, maybe he can apply that one. Might be if he comes from outside, have the more variety of, he work in variety of companies. Variety of companies mean variety of solutions. Less fresh ideas. Power politics could be prevail. Maybe some of the people don't like him. Okay, and play the politics and will not allow him to perform. Yeah. Possibly not values as expert by the staff. Maybe most of people will not accept. Oh, he's not expert. We know him. He's a not intelligent person. So this is the things can be happen for the internal researcher. How about the external researchers if we hire? Okay, divergent and convergent thinking. Yeah, because he's a variety of thinking. He work in the multiple companies. He solved the multiple type of problem. He solved the multiple type of problems. So that's why convergent and the divergent and convergent multiple thinking he can utilize. Experience from several institutions, different organization. Yeah, I explained better technical training as usually. Yeah, these are the advantages. So that's why if we see at the country level, you know why we have a different like recently, I don't remember from the Malaysian perspective example, but like my country's perspective, they want to build a jet, fighter jet. Okay, they want to build that fighter jet, but they are not competent in that one. Might be they can build body everything of the jet plane. Okay, the jet, but they were not expert in the engine. What they did, they hire some expert from the Chinese industry. They are experts. Okay, they learn from them. So we hire people to learn new skills, by the way. So this is the main purpose of this example. Okay, but another thing is external researcher takes time to know and understand the organization culture. Rapport and the cooperation from the staff not easy. Yeah, people will be not give him right information or maybe wrong informations or not cooperate, not available for evaluation implementations. Yeah, another thing is if he make the wrong decisions, we cannot make him answerable. And the cost, of course, we have to pay more money. Might be, but maybe for the internal researchers, no need to pay more money. He or she already taking a salary, we just give him incentive if he solve. So here is the exercise, my dear students. You can read these ones and try to solve. Please provide 2 situations that justify the decisions on choosing external researcher to conduct the research instead of using the company internal researchers. Please read and give this. This is for your information. Please read and give me the answer in our question and answer sessions. Okay. So furthermore, ethics and the business research. Yeah, number one and the last one, main important in the research. ethics, my dear students. Even in our research, in our course, we will conduct our research. I mean the project. You will work on the one project, research projects. So I also need your ethics in whole project from step 1 to till end of the step, end of the project. Okay, so research is conduct morally with compromising the rights of any party, especially the respondent of the research. Yeah, we must be ethical and we must be take care of the respondent where we are conducting research. We must keep their privacy. Researcher has a key role to play. Yes, it's not meaning we can hire someone to write a report or work on our behalf. No, we are the key person and we must participate and we must put our full effort. The researcher has to exhibit and practice good conduct throughout the research interview. Yes, your good disciplines. Don't be cheating. Don't be fake data. Okay, this is one of the example. Hope so you understand. Thank you very much and see you in next sessions.